Welcome to Tammy's Ripping Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my lasagna. Hope you enjoy. So first off, you're going to get your ingredients ready for your cheese sauce, and then you will prepare your vegetables for your filling mixture. And now I've got my ingredients ready to go into the food processor. And here you're going to want to slice up your eggplant and get it on your parchment lined baking sheet, and then sprinkle with some sea salt and pepper. And now your ingredients for your sauce. I do have a can of whole tomatoes, which I will process in my food processor. And the ingredients ready to process for your cheese mixture. So I did the onions, green pepper, and celery, and I left the mushrooms to do separately in my food processor. And the eggplant is all ready to go. Celery, onions, and green pepper. So starting with a little bit of oil in your pan, and you will brown the garlic. And now I've added in the green pepper, onions, and celery. I'm going to saute that until it's nice and soft. And now it's time to process your mushrooms until your desired consistency. And now you can add in your mushrooms and stir well and cook for another 10 minutes or so. And now it's time to puree the cheese mixture. Now it's time to add the spices. Looks like the cheese mixture is nice and creamy. I did add a little more water here too. Time to add all your cans of sauce. Time to add in some fresh chopped parsley. Have your baking pan ready, and now you're ready to assemble. All the directions will be in my recipe in the description box below, so don't worry about the assembling part. It'll all be written down for you. To me, this is the fun part, just watching it all come together. When I used to make lasagna, I didn't like the no-cook noodles, but these ones are amazing. So give them a try if you haven't. I'll have the brand also in the description below. Oh, and also why I put the cheese mixture into a measuring cup, just so I could divide it in half, because you do need it to use it twice. So it just makes it easier so you know exactly how much you can use. And that also goes for the eggplant. You know, I didn't have enough to cover my pan twice totally, so just kind of eyeball it and figure where you want to put your eggplant if you don't have exactly enough to fill the pan. I was just putting some dried dill and parsley on the top. And now it's ready to go into your preheated oven at 425. I did cover it for the first 20 minutes with some parchment. And then for the next 20-25 minutes, you'll take that parchment off. And there you have it, a beautiful baked lasagna. So delicious. Thank you for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.